Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on the loading screen on your PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to open your Steam library, and then from here you're going to right click on Marvel Rivals and then go to Property. From here you're going to go to Install Folders and then verify the integrity of game files. This will take a minute or two, but you're going to have to wait because it's checking all the files that have been downloaded and making sure that none of them is corrupted. You go to Browse, and then from here you're going to search for the Marvel Rivals launcher. Right click on it and then go to Properties. From here, you're going to go to Compatibility. Then make sure that it's Disable Full Screen Optimization. Run this program compatible as Windows 8. And then run this program as an administrator. And then click on Apply and then OK. The final step is that you have to disable your firewall just in case, because maybe that is not allowing it to connect to the servers. So you're going to search for Windows Defender. And then from here, you're going to go to the Inbound Rules, create a new rule. Then from here, go to Program, Next, and then Program Path. And then from here, you're going to go back to Rivals, right click, go to Properties, go to Install Files, Browse, see this file, go to here, and then Ctrl C to copy it, close that, go back here, and then paste the path right here, and click on Next, then allow the connection, click on Next, and then click on Next again, and then just name it whatever, so name it Rivals, and finish. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.